Every great product begins with an idea. This is the spark that lights the fuse of innovation, the first step on a journey that transforms the abstract into the tangible. As we venture into the realm of conception, we find that it's often a response to a problem that needs solving, or a gap in the market that's just waiting to be filled. This is where our journey begins, in the fertile ground of necessity, where the seeds of inspiration are sown. Research plays a crucial role in this phase. It's like a compass that guides us through the vast wilderness of possibilities. It helps us understand the landscape, the challenges we might face, the needs and desires of our end users, and the opportunities that lie ahead. It's through rigorous research that we can shape our idea, give it a direction and a purpose. Brainstorming is another cornerstone in this phase. It's a creative storm that sweeps through our minds, stirring up a whirlwind of ideas. It's a collaborative process, a meeting of minds where thoughts and suggestions are tossed around, dissected, and built upon. It's a dynamic, free-flowing exchange that often leads to those eureka moments when a good idea becomes a great one. From here, we move to refining the idea. This is where the rubber meets the road, where our concept begins to take a more concrete shape. It's a process of distillation, of stripping away the unnecessary, honing in on the essential, and crafting a design that's both functional and aesthetically pleasing. This phase is a dance between creativity and pragmatism, a delicate balancing act that seeks to marry form and function. It's a process of iteration, of trial and error, of constant tweaking and fine-tuning, until we have a design that not only solves the problem at hand, but does so in an elegant and efficient manner. From an abstract concept, we now have a tangible design ready for development. This is the magic of conception, the journey from the realm of ideas to the world of tangible products. It's a thrilling ride, a testament to human ingenuity and the power of creativity, and it's only just the beginning. With a solid design in place, it's time to bring our idea to life. The development phase is where we transform our blueprint into a tangible working prototype. This process is like a blacksmith forging a raw piece of metal into a sword, or a sculptor chiseling a block of marble into a masterpiece. In this phase, we call upon a variety of technologies and tools, each playing a pivotal role in shaping our product. From modern programming languages that lay the foundation of software, to state-of-the-art hardware that forms the backbone of our devices, every element is meticulously chosen to ensure optimal performance and user experience. Imagine an orchestra ensemble, each instrument playing its part, yet working in harmony to create a symphony. That's what the development process is akin to. Each technology, each tool, is like an instrument, and our developers, the conductors, orchestrating a symphony of innovation. Now let's talk about a crucial part of the development phase, testing. Think of testing as the dress rehearsal before the grand performance. We put our prototype through rigorous rounds of testing, checking every nook and cranny, every line of code, every component, to ensure that the product not only functions as intended, but exceeds expectations. We also refine our product during this phase. Refining is like polishing a diamond. It's about perfecting our product, enhancing its features, and ironing out any kinks. This could mean making the software more intuitive, the device more ergonomic, or the user interface more engaging. So, testing and refining go hand in hand. They are the gatekeepers that ensure our product is not just good, but great. They are the final hurdles before our product can move on to the production phase. Through rigorous testing and refinement, our prototype is now ready for production. This development phase is not just about building a product, it's about crafting a user experience. It's about turning a concept into a reality. And most importantly, it's about setting the stage for the next big thing in technology. The journey from conception to delivery is near its end. We've designed, we've developed, and now we're ready to roll. The production process is where our idea, now fully fleshed out, finally begins to take physical form. It all starts with sourcing the raw materials. These materials aren't just picked randomly. Oh no, they're hand-picked, chosen for their quality, durability, and compatibility with the product. Each piece plays a vital role, like the cogs in a well-oiled machine, working in harmony to create something spectacular. Once we've got the materials, the manufacturing process kicks into high gear. This is where the magic happens. Our design blueprints come to life, transformed into a tangible, real-world object. It's a sight to behold, a symphony of precision and efficiency. But it's not just about making the product. It's about making it right. Quality checks are paramount. Every nook, every cranny, every tiny detail is scrutinized, ensuring the product is nothing short of perfect. We believe in not just meeting expectations, but exceeding them. Now, for the final act, packaging and delivery. The product is carefully encased, ready for its journey to its new home. Each package is a promise, a pledge of quality, and an anticipation of the satisfaction it will bring to the customer. And then, the moment of truth. The package arrives. The customer's anticipation reaches its peak. The box is opened, and there it is. The product, fresh from the production line, ready to be used, ready to make a difference. It's a moment of pure joy, a testament to the journey we've taken from the drawing board to delivery. Each product we deliver is not just a piece of technology. It's a story, a journey, a testament to the power of innovation and creativity. Every time a customer holds our product in their hands, they're not just holding a gadget. They're holding a culmination of ideas, efforts, and sheer determination. Our journey is complete, from an idea to a product in a customer's hands. Every step, every stage, every moment has led to this. And as we wrap up, we can't help but look forward to the next journey, the next idea, the next product. Because in the world of technology, the journey never really ends. It just evolves. Throughout this journey, we've shared some key tech tips. Let's quickly recap them. First, we discussed the critical aspect of thorough research. It's not just about knowing the ins and outs of your tech, but also understanding the market, the trends, the competitors. This insight fuels innovation and sets the stage for successful product development. Next, we delved into the use of specific technologies in development. Whether it's leveraging artificial intelligence for smart functionality or using cloud computing for seamless data management, the right tech can be a game changer. Lastly, we underscored the need for rigorous testing. It's about more than just ironing out the kinks. It's about ensuring your product meets user needs and exceeds their expectations. Remember, the journey from conception to delivery is a complex one, but with these tech tips, you're well equipped to navigate it.